Eye contact. When you're not making eye contact with people, it's very weird, isn't it? So today I'm going to talk about eye contact in presentations and why it's so important, and just a really quick, simple tip on how you can improve your eye contact. Hey there, my name is Carl Kwan. On this channel, you're going to learn some presentations, tips, tricks, and how-tos to give better presentations. You'll also see some of my work-related videos. I am the owner of a company called Kwan Multimedia. It's a video marketing agency. So you'll see some of those videos here, but mostly you're going to see stuff related to presentation skills. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon as well. Okay, eye contact. This is really important because when you're giving a presentation, it's you as a person. People are seeing you, and your eyes and the contact that you're making with people is really important and vital to the connection they have with you and to the effectiveness of your presentation. So imagine if you're giving a presentation and you're just doing this. You're just kind of looking down. You're not engaged with the audience. You're not caring about who they are. I mean, this is really distracting, isn't it? As I'm doing that, don't you find this is just kind of weird, right? Like, you want me to look at you and engage with you. And that's why eye contact is so important when you're giving a presentation. All right, so here are some tips to make sure that your eye contact is really good when you're giving a presentation. First of all, you want to make sure that you're not too intense with your eyes. You want to be friendly. That means your face and your facial expressions should also be relaxed and friendly so that your eyes are also nice and relaxed and friendly. The second tip is eye contact with people and how you're going to do that. So what I recommend is you pick someone in the middle of your audience, you pick someone on the left-hand side of the audience, and you pick someone on the right-hand side of the audience. And you look at those people specifically every once in a while. So as an example, I'll be looking at you right now, and as I'm giving my presentation and making my video here, then I look over at the person that's sitting over on this side here. And I look at them for a few seconds and I say something to them. And then I come back and maybe look at you again here in the middle. And then after I speak to you for a little bit, then I also look over to the people over here again, and I find that one person I'm talking to. Now, you don't have to look at everybody, because as you're looking in that direction at that one person, everyone in that section will think you're looking at them. So you don't have to just focus on, everyone that's in that general area. Just one person is good enough. So the third tip is to not do it too quickly. You don't want to be going like this. That's kind of weird, right? You want to make sure that you're talking to that person, speak to them, say something to them, and then switch over. I would say maybe 3 seconds to 5 seconds of talking to one person. You can kind of count in your mind. Just count a little bit, 3 to 5 seconds, and then move on to the next person. That should give you a really good, comfortable way to make eye contact with your audience. So hopefully you found those 3 tips for eye contact helpful. Go ahead, practice those. Let me know how it works out, and make sure you leave me any other questions or comments you might have in the description below. All right? Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.